Hey there guys, welcome to RDER's Playbook number 38. So 2 boxes. Last thing I'm in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 24th at 8:29 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're going to go to eBay's current date and time, right click, and I'm just going to hit refresh. It's currently Friday, April 25th at 1:01 a.m. Eastern Time. So just let you guys know I am broadcasting live on Breakers TV. So KSED doing RDER's breaks, and we will be doing rest of the breaks on KSED's channel there. So definitely check out for what we'll finish off this case before we move on to something else. And these are boxes 5 and 6 from the case, and our serial numbers are NE190578028 and 206530905. 190578028, 206530905. Sealed. Let's set this around. I'll show you serial numbers for each box, and we will get started. How are you doing, Daryl? 8028. Seriously? Gretzky's in Bowman baseball? So I guess we'll turn that around. And here we go. 4 cards in this one. So we got base of Corey Crawford, 249. Oh, Trevor Gretzky. And we have an auto rookie book of Brock Nilsson for the New York Islanders. Brock Nilsson, auto rookie book, jersey, 199. It's a nice hit there for New York. And we have, looks like the hollow silver base of Henrik Sedin, 2 of 10 for the Canucks. Henrik Sedin. And we have a breakout prime of JT Miller for the New York Rangers out of 25. JT Miller. 4 hit box there. Not too shabby. 0905 is your second one. They'll probably put her in golf since they had that big controversy with her on Golf Digest. Did you guys know Michelle Lee won her first tournament in 4 years of last week? It's like sick. And she finished like second in one of the other ones. Had runners up and then this go. Oh, we got base 249 for the Devils. And we have a first round edition booklet of Nail Yakupov for the Edmonton Oilers. Nail Yakupov. Nice. It's a very nice hit there for Edmonton. Mr. Nail Yakupov. First round edition. And we finished the break off with a Joe Thornton base jersey, or limited edition jersey, 47 of 99 for the Sharks. So that concludes the break, guys. So we got boxes 7 and 8 out of the case tomorrow, and that's about it. Then Dominion 5 and 6 and Flair Showcase tomorrow night.